Guys, so welcome back to a new video. Many Facebook users facing an issue on their ID when they want to schedule their post, reels and videos, but they are not able to do schedule. So in today's tutorial, we give you a problem solution. First of all, just open your Facebook application and you want to do schedule your reel. All right, just come to your reel section and here you can see click on a reel and then you choose a random picture or a video that you want to upload as a reel. And here here's your problem, schedule. You cannot schedule this post. Why it's happened? Because just here when I enabled and I link our Instagram ID with Facebook, then these problems occurred. Like here, you cannot schedule this post. If you want to fix this issue, just go a little down on Instagram, then just remove and delink or unlink your Instagram ID with the Facebook. Just do that, then your problem will be fixed. And here you can see. I hope the short tutorial is helpful and your problem is fixed. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.